Welcome in Boneyard Garage. We're at the Northeastern Car Museum, upstate New York.
I enjoy it every time I come here.
Sorry.
I'd never seen one of these till I came in here.
You just keep going to the right.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah,
Didn't
it's
realize
awesome.
it was big, did you?
No, not at all.
Some of them, you see them, you used to know. Here, right here. You go up. I'll sit in and Tom will take a picture. You want to drive? What? You want to drive? Am I allowed to sit in this? Yeah, sit in this.
Wave, guys, you're gonna be on YouTube.
We're going for a ride.
All right,
We'll be back in an hour. Yeah, we're gonna go get some chickens.
get some chicken. All right.
Left hand. Air conditioner right there. Woohoo! We got a fan right on there.
There you go.
My dad would have me slightly empty the bearings on his truck while the rest of the boys were out hay. So it was a good thing for me to be doing that. And I like it. And I knew how to find the
Check out the old gas pump. I would like to find the old pump to restore. Very cool, guys. If you have upstate New York, and you come across Car Museum, check it out. A lot of cars. We are.
Where was you from? You're from Long Island, New York. What about East Hampton? Yes.
And that was the original.
West Hampton?
That's the body. Family. This body is disassembled, getting ready.
The Riverhead.
Do that all in there.
Every time you see motorcycles, you see a podium with papers on it. You notice every motorcycle has a number on it. And this tells you what they are.
They are.
Upside down E. Why that?
Because the carburetor is on the bottom of the engine.
Right.
The exhaust is off the top. It wasn't made for 2 years.
Cool old bikes.
I guess not. I have a cabin in Sherbrooke. On County Road 24. Oh, yeah? Oh, nice. I've had the cabin probably about 6-7 years now. We come up and
Nova SS, beautiful car.
Yeah, no problem.
1972 AMC. Very cool.
One that was in there. I had it right. That was my friend. He always talks about that one. Yeah, he did too.
The fellow that owned it originally was R.S. Underwood, and he did a lot of paperwork for it.
Oh, nice.
So they bought it for about 2 years. He had it for about 2 years.
Engine cutaway.
It was about 70 some cars. It all got eliminated.
Nice.
This is the type of engine that George converted from 9 to we kept it on the He was the last one that ever used on the engine for the little gate.
Oh, really?
You want the footprints?
Yeah.
They're released. They're
Oh, he's up there.
motorcycle people.
Yeah.
Number 18 was living from Tacoma, Washington to Havers Hill, Massachusetts.
Oh, really? Inline four-cylinder? Huh?
Mm-hmm. 1924. You can have it. We can have them if you want them.
That's fine.
We got them there to give away. This is your European Chevrolet.
Nice to have one on Volvo. What is a Franklin Wood?
Body.
Big car.
You know who drives out there September?
Yeah.
You know who drove Fraser for Christmas?
Oh, okay.
And 31, they named one after him. It's just like the yellow and black one over there. It's just like the one we were Earhart drove from West Coast for her last night.
Oh, really?
Yep. She drove from wherever was sponsoring her. Of course, I'm going to have to try the V8. Things that right up there.
That's 12, right?
Yeah, it'd be 12, I mean, that's right.
Oh, really? Huh?
I'd be so here listening to you driving every day. Where's Dwayne? I just run into the valve. Made for racing.
When we come back around, we'll take a picture of that Henry Cave. Yes.
That's our current team. Yeah. We got 4 barn park vehicles out there.
I saw those. There you go. John, baby.
That thing is
Yeah, 45.
got a record player built in.
Oh, really? Almost a fluorescent blue.
Yeah. That was a factory color.
Yeah. I saw I only said there's 3 or 4 of those birds.
Sign was must have some money to buy it. A 1931 Pierce Arrow, probably wood cell, maybe.
Look at this. This is chain drive.
Put your hand
got the seats in that one.
That's cool.
Is it? I wish we still had it.
Mom pointed that out. She goes, "Papa, my dad had that car right there. Little Henry J."
It's the car that my grandfather used to have. Henry J.
That's why it's on the left hand side.
When the tilt wheel came out. Okay guys, it's gonna wrap up my video at the car museum. If you like what you see, please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, maybe hit the little bell notification when I put new videos out. Okay guys, have a good day.